Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Biggie from the new Trolls movie. So once again, here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and it's a very funny looking character. We're gonna start out with his eyes first. It's just gonna be 2 circles, and they're gonna be pretty close to each other. One, and then just kind of come over, draw another one, and then for the finish up the eyeball inside, I'm just gonna draw in another circle touching the inside. And just let me shade that in real quick. Alright, so those are his eyes, and then for his nose, it's really simple. Just come right underneath the eyes there. Let's draw one big arc first. That's going to be the top of his nose. And then on the bottom, just round it out. Just come back in. And then now we'll draw one little bump right in the center. Okay, so that's the nose, and then for his mouth, I'm gonna give him one big smile. So right underneath the nose, let's draw one big curve around. And then right on the edge right here, just two little curves to show his cheek. Okay, and then from here we can finish up the shape of the head, and then we'll finish up the eyebrow. So just come out to the side right here, right to the side of the face. It's one big bracket. It's gonna be pretty wide. And then on the bottom here, I'll just kind of come in toward his neck. And then now this one's gonna go to the top. So it's almost straight here. Just go up at a slant and then round up the very top. Okay, and then for his eyebrow, just right above the eyes, let's have it slant down. Alright, and then now for his awesome looking hair, which is really easy to draw. So just come out right around here, you can make two little dots. That's gonna be where his hair is gonna be going up. So for this, we'll just go up. You go straight up, or you can give it a little bit of a curve. Doesn't really matter. And then right on the top here, I'm just gonna add a few of these lines. And then maybe just some down here just to show some strands. Just have it aimed toward the center there, the very top. Alright, so that's the hair, and then now for his ears, just come back down here to this point. We'll just go up first. And then round it out and come back down right to the middle of the cheek right here. And then for the details inside here, just draw one curve like this. Okay, so that's the head, and now for the body, and the body is really simple as well. So I'm gonna start right around here. It's gonna be his shoulders right here, which is slant down, and it's gonna be pretty wide on the bottom. Just round this out. This is gonna be the top of his pants, his shorts. And let's go ahead and finish up the bottom since we're here. We'll finish up the shape and then we'll work on the arms. So for the bottom here, just draw two curves coming in. And then for the very bottom, we'll just round it out. So it's just one big bow shape. Okay, and then right in the middle right here, start right here, just gonna draw a little loop. And then a little button right here, right in the center. Alright, so let's go up and finish up the little vest right here. So I'm just gonna start right around here on the shoulders. Just draw a little curve right on the edge. So just come in and then go back out. And for this one, let's just add a bunch of little stitchings. So just go all the way around the outside edge. And then even the bottom here, just go all the way around. Alright, so now let's draw his arms, and it's pretty simple. So his armpit's gonna be right around here. You make two little marks first. Come up here to the shoulder. Just one big curve coming down. So stop right around here. And then now for the inside, same curve. So that's his arm, and then for his thumb, just one little hook. And then for the other fingers, just continue this curve. Just come down. Just hook it back up. Alright, so here's the armpit. Here's the shoulders. One big arc coming down. We'll stop right around here. Now for the inside curve. Same thing here for his thumb, just one little hook. And then continue this, come down, and then just hook it back up. Alright, so now for his legs. So come down to the center right here. I'll just draw two little lines like this first. So that's going to be inside of his pants. So we'll come out. Just draw two more lines on the outside and then just kind of round it out. Close it off, and that's going to give us the pants. And then for his leg, it's really simple. We'll start on the inside, come straight down, and then come right around here. Come down. And then for his foot, just draw a little bracket and then close off the bottom. Just a bracket. And then around the top here, I'm just going to add a little bit of line just to show the crease in the foot. And then for his toes, we'll just keep it simple. Just right in the center here, one line, and then just divide up the space next to it and just draw two more. And that is it for this Biggie. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.